Hi friends, Connie here with Connie's Home Garden, and today we are going to make an amazing and simple facial oil. Facial oils are super moisturizing and it soaks in really well so it doesn't feel too oily. So here's what I have. I use 3 different oils. I use a fractionated coconut oil or liquid coconut oil, olive oil, and I also like to use jojoba oil. These 3 are the good, they just soak in, they moisturize and help you look your youngest and your best. So that's really good. And then I like to use essential oils because they nurture the skin. There's a lot of different properties that they have as far as being anti-aging and also calming to the skin. And so I have frankincense, I have carrot seed oil, which also has an SPF factor, and so does the coconut oil. I think coconut oil is like an SPF 4, which is really nice because that is anti-aging that in itself. I have myrrh and rosehip oil and lavender oil. So let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. I have my regular bottle. This is the one I'm going to store my oil in where I can use it, and it has a dropper, and I'll just be able to drop some on my hand and rub it into my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 10 drops of carrot seed oil, 5 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of myrrh, 10 drops of rosehip seed oil, and 10 drops of lavender, and then I will put equal parts in of my carrier oils. Well, I just think this is an amazing oil. What kind of things do you like to put in your facial oil? Do you have favorite essential oils? I think if you look up essential oils and find out their best properties, you'll find the perfect thing for yourself. I've done a lot of research. I usually try to use 3 resources so that I know that I'm getting the correct information. And there you have it, your homemade amazing facial oil. It's going to feel so good. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching my channel. Again, this is Connie with Connie's Home Garden. Click subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos. Stay well and keep the faith.